This is a beautiful 1960s bouffant with a soft wrap at the front. You know, the way this hairstyle goes together is all about foundation and base and understanding how to backcomb. I'm starting off with a few hot rollers on the very top of a ponytail, and I remove a front area and I style the whole front area first, creating a beautiful wrap. Then I go into the back area. You know, if you want to learn how to backcomb, then make sure you see my full tutorial on this hairstyle. And I'm going to use a Patrick Cameron Patariki hair pad, one of my hair pads, which I love. It just helps support the hairstyle. Backcombing is fundamental when it comes to creating these big shapes, and learning how to do this is really important. Okay, here I come in now, just finishing off. This is a fantastic hairstyle to add into your collection. Remember, the full tutorial for this beautiful 1960s bouffant is available to all of my Access Long Hair members.